What's up, guys? We're finally back.
How's it going, everybody? It's been a while, hasn't it?
We have been doing a lot of stuff. We've been working on new projects, trying to figure out some great new content for you guys. But last week, we spent the whole week setting up this awesome new space, you see.
Took us a long time to do it, but we worked really hard. We thought about it for a while. We just wanted to bring in a lot more light into this place, make it a bit more brighter. Also have a little bit of minimalism, so that we can focus on the content that we're talking about.
Yeah, we used to call it the dungeon down here because it was always so dark. So we just painted the walls all white, put some new lights in here, got some new furniture because we had this giant, big, black, ugly couch that just, I feel, sucked the life and light out of this room. So now we got this awesome new light couch, and now we're pretty much all set.
So we filmed everything from start to finish, and you can see the entire process. We did a time lapse for you guys, so check it out.
Yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed that. We're looking forward to finally having a nicer backdrop and setting for you guys when you're watching our videos. The next thing we wanted to do is kind of update you guys on what exactly we'll be doing. We're going to try our hardest to get 2 videos out each week. Right, there's 2 videos. We've been kind of slacking the past week since we were working really hard to get this office set up, and I got super sick again. But yeah, going into next week, we're really going to try to pump out 2 videos every single week.
Just for you guys.
Just for you.
So there's a lot more stuff coming, guys. We're going to be working with Esquire more, artists like JShanth as well. We're going to be working a lot more with UA.X. You've seen us work with him twice. We love working with him. He's a great director.
He's awesome.
Yeah.
So good at what he does, and it's just such a pleasure to work with him.
We're going to do more tutorials for sure, So if you guys have any questions about something that you want to learn or something you don't know about, feel free to comment below. We'll be happy to answer them.
Comments. Tell us what you want to see, because we are here to help you guys out.
Exactly.
Just let us know. We just want to also give a big thanks to our Instagram followers. Thanks for following us there. It's also been much appreciated.
Yeah.
And if you're not following us on Instagram, just give us a follow.
Please follow us.
You can find me on Instagram at A.Priority, and you can find him at
19x90.
But we're also doing one more thing.
We're doing a giveaway. Grab it! Yeah! Look at that. Shiny text, the micro. Move it. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, so for all you guys who are, aspiring YouTubers, vloggers, or anyone just trying to get into any kind of video production, we figured we'd be giving away one of these guys.
Yeah.
It's what we currently use right now for all of our vlogging and our YouTube videos like this. So we have hit a couple of our early stage milestones. I know they're not big, but we hit our first 100 subscribers. So we're excited about that. Start off small and then aim big.
Yeah.
We also got our first 1,000 views on one of our videos, which is now actually nearing 2,000 views. So we're pretty pumped about that too. So we figured we want to give back to you guys. You guys are the ones who have been helping us out. You're enjoying our content. So we just wanted to kind of give back to you guys. So how do you guys go about entering this contest?
So to win this, all you need to do is comment below and also hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about what other content you want us to talk about, comment about that as well.
This could be yours. There we go. Autofocus sucks. But yeah, so we just really wanted to say thanks, guys. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
We hope to continue to do a lot more for you guys. And stay tuned.
And as always, guys, keep on creating.
Peace out, guys.
See ya.